right, scholars, so today we are going to start solving ratios when there's no clear multiplicative relationship. In order for us to solve ratios where we don't know the relationship from left to right and we don't know the relationship up and down. In these instances, what we are going to do is solve them using cross products. What cross products are is really just the butterfly method. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve them using the butterfly method. So step one would be to draw our butterfly wings like always. All right, and we're going to write the products on the antenna like we always do. So we'll have a product for this one, and we'll have something for that one as well. Okay, so we're going to start with 40 times 21. So the numbers are a little bit bigger today because we're getting into more complex mathematics. So we have 40 times 21. Well, 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. Then I'm going to add my placeholder 0. 2 times 0 is 0. And 2 times 4 is 8. Then I'm going to add them together like normal multiplication. 0 plus 0, 4 plus 0, and 8. Okay, so our product is 840. Super duper. Okay, now on this side, it looks like we're saying 70 times a number, right? This is our blank spot. 70 times whatever number. So I'm just going to write 70x. That means 70 times a number. So now we have a new problem, and we're going to rewrite this problem. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit. Whoa, some of it's scrolling and some of it is not. We're just going to scroll to right there. Erase all that jibber jabber. And we're going to keep going. So the numbers that we have now, I'm going to switch my color, is 840 on one side, the equal sign from the middle, and then 70 times an unknown number. We don't know what this is. So this looks like a multiplication problem with a variable. We want to find out what x equals. In order for us to find out what x equals, we kind of have to work backwards. So what I'm going to do is, this question is asking me for multiplication, so I'm going to do the opposite of multiplication to solve it, which is division. So that means I'm going to divide by 70 to get x by itself. I want to isolate the variable. Well, 70 divided by 70 is just 1. So I have 1x, 1 times whatever x is, which is really just 1x. So I'm going to erase that. 70 divided by 70 is 1. And then we just have this x left by itself. On the other side, I'm also going to divide by 70 because what we do to one side, we also do to the other side of the equation to keep them balanced, like a seesaw. So this is the math that we actually need to do right here. 840 divided by 70 will get us our answer because we want to know what x equals. So I have 840 divided by 70. All right, so we're going to do some division again. I'm going to go ahead and change my color of my pen so we know we're getting to work. How many times does 70 go into 84? Well, it goes into 84 one time. 70 times 1 is 70. Let me erase that line. I don't like that. Okay. So I'm going to subtract 70. Now I have 84 minus 70, which is 14. This is good. I'm going to bring down what's left over. Now I have 70. How many 70s are in 140? Well, if I look at this and I'm like, well, 7, 14, there's 2 7s in 14. So there must be 2 70s in 140. So I'll write a 2 up here. 70 times 2 would be 14 and add a 0. We're going to subtract. The remainder is 0. And we are done. That means that 70 times 14, 70 times 12 is 140. So our answer is x equals 12. Perfect.